everyone. Here's another episode of CCS Synergy and CCS Dragons TV, the official podcast of AFCCS and also YouTube channel. Today po, I'll be your host. Surprise, surprise! And we will get to know more about our AFCCS newest faces sa ating marketing campaign. And it will be unscripted, so ito po yung kakaibang episode. So please stay tuned. Halika, samahan niyo ako for this episode. Hi guys! So, like what we have promised, we're here today with the newest AFCCS faces. Kilalanin po natin sila. Please welcome Yodge, Abigail, Bea, and Chris.
Hello!
Yeah.
Hi guys!
Happy?
Oh!
Salamat naman at
Finally.
kami to join us sa very early morning of Monday. But before we start, kindly introduce yourself and also probably your course. And if you could share a little fun fact about yourself. For example, ako mag-start ako. Joyce Macaspa, Internship Coordinator of AFCCS. Ang imuterang faculty ng CCS.
Wow.
Ang may-emote na faculty ng CCS. Yan. Parang ganun lang.
Okay.
Sige, we'll start, of course, with... So,
Tama, dito na lang po, dito na lang.
Aray ko, aray ko.
Parang sarap mo na.
Sige, Chris, let's start with you.
Titingin doon na.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Chris Daniel Espiritu. I'm from Bachelor of Multimedia Arts, part year na po ako. And a fun fact about me, I represented the college on the last Mr. and Miss University.
Wow!
Mr. CCS.
Napaka-safe naman ng senior niya.
Grabe naman
Sige,
yun.
mamaya na lang yung mga...
Intricacies.
Deepest secret.
Mama, may deepest secret
Deepest
ka?
secret, oo.
Wow.
Hindi kayo ready,
Cut
no?
this.
Yes.
Hi guys, my name is Bea Silvestre. I'm BMMA second year, and fun fact about me, I've never done modeling ever in my life. So
Gagawin na niya sa next Mr. and...
No. Ako nga, yun ang ano ko eh. Yun ang second question ko eh. Pero darating tayo sa tanong na yun.
oh no.
Okay, thank you. Next, Abigail.
Hello guys, I am Abigail D. Arnold. I am a second year student in the BSCS Computer Science course. A fun fact about me. Ano ba?
Marami yan.
Wala pa ba? Natatawa ka na.
ano ba? A fun fact about me. O sige, yung sinabi ko na lang sa inyo. If you...
Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba?
Pwede naman. Ito yung ano na lang, yung movie.
Okay.
If you guys would see the a movie in ABS-CBN YouTube, you might find me in the background there. So that's a fun fact. I won't say the movie anymore. Kaya na bahala maghanap doon. So that's all.
Pwede tayo magpa-contest.
May friends yung makahanap.
Kung sino
May price yung
makakahula,
Pwede kami
share
mag-
na screenshot.
Pwede kami mag-join.
Ay, hindi.
Alam niyo na eh. Okay.
Okay, next, Yodge.
So, hello guys, my name is Yodge Prison and I'm BSIT, third year student, and fun fact, parang wala yata.
Wala? Ako na lang magre-reveal.
Oh!
Hindi. Siya po yung aking inaanak.
Oh!
Pinaalala mo, no? Sa dami puputang every Christmas.
Tsaka,
Ayan.
naglalaro po akong basketball para sa iyo.
Wow! Very active. Parang mga...
Parang di naman yata fun yun.
Somehow, sa conversation natin, lalabas yung fan side ninyo. Hindi ko alam kung baka nahiya pa kayo ng konti.
Opo.
So anyway, maybe you could share me, since you were picked as the new faces of the AF marketing campaign, AFCCS marketing campaign, anong feeling?
Feeling of being the new
being
face.
Being part of the
Okay.
project. Anyone can start?
Oh,
Okay, sino?
feel ko ka...
Walang copy and paste na sagot, ah.
Medyo
Parang
paraphrase.
It's a privilege po to see your face or parang may iwan kang legacy sa school kasi for sure ma'am gagamitin pa siya in the succeeding years. Graduating student ako ma'am, so after kong mag-graduate, pag nag-visit ako, makikita ko pa yung sarili ko ma'am. Tas on other ano naman reasons ma'am, parang nakakataas din po ng confidence na makita mo yung sarili mo in such ganong position. Pinagmamalaki ko nga sa mama ko ma'am, alam mo, face na ako ng CCS, di ko nga alam paano ako naging face ng CCS, pero face na ako ng CCS ngayon. Tapos talaga ba ganun, parang nakakataba lang din po ng puso. At literal na nakakataba.
Talaga naman.
Okay,
So
that's
yun
naman.
big word na nakakataba ang puso. Okay.
Puso.
Ayan.
Puso lang.
Huwag naman yung iba.
Sa akin naman po, like Chris said, feeling privileged talaga na maging part, like I said. Wala po akong background sa modeling, pero parang at the same time na-appreciate ko po na in-approach niyo po na maging model ako, and very grateful na maging part since maging part ng CCS, since parang it's like a cute family na parang madaming nangyayari parati, and madaming events na very much enjoyful as student.
Thank you, Bea.
Ako naman. It's a privilege to...
Pagsagot na no?
Also privilege
I believe that it is a privilege. Actually, talagang privilege na sinama niyo po ako dito, ma'am. And to be here with you guys as well. I think na especially these people, they're so fun to hang out with. And chinachat ko rin kayo minsan, so thank you for replying to me. And then also, I think it's a little bit weird na, for me, at least the feeling that I'm representing the CCS. Tas lalo na ako lang yung CS dito, computer science. But also, it's a good thing kasi at least the people will see na what I can represent for the computer science course at least, and makita nila yung mga stereotypes and also to debunk some of those stereotypes. I hope that we can be able to showcase that po, and also to have fun po. So I think I'm just thankful talaga that I'm here po. Yun lang. Grateful.
Talaga pag-miss you talaga yung answer, no? Ibang level. Okay. Ang next na magre-represent Josh!
Yun, copy paste.
Happy face.
Alam, privilege and masaya po ako na napasama po ako sa Four Faces. I'm thankful po. Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, introvert din po kasi ako. Hindi ko alam ba't nandito ako. Nahihiya ako sa camera.
Introvert na yan.
Kaya, ayun guys, nahihiya po ako. Hindi rin po. Thank you.
Parang hindi ako naniniwala.
Okay, parang hindi ako naniniwala.
So anyway,
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, mentioning about your courses, how, in having this project engaged as part of your college life, I know that some of you, I mean, paano niyo muna napili yung course ninyo para maging part ng CCS? Chris, I think, kung hindi ako, if I could recall it, pumasok kayo ng first year na online pa. I met you sa second semester. And I think hindi ko rin kayo students nung second semester. But I was your program chair that time. So anyway, paano, why did you choose BMMA in the first place?
Kasi ma'am, sinasabi po nila na, to be honest, sabi nila, walang trabaho dyan or walang pera. Pero I always believe na mas gusto ko pong i-pursue yung passion over sa cash kung ano man. And upon entering BMMA, dun ko nalaman na it can be both pala, passion and pwede kang mag-earn for yourself.
It could be a career, no?
Kasi marami po pala talagang opportunities. It's not because MMA ka, animator ka lang or graphic designer. It's parang an umbrella term lang pala siya, ma'am, sa kung anong pwede mong gawin off-screen or hopefully on-screen, ganun.
And then, another fun fact about Chris, no, na hindi naman na-mention kanina. Siya po ay nag-represent sa vocal solo.
Cultural.
When he was first year.
What?
And he won
Second runner-up.
second.
Wow!
Yan.
May
Naalala
singing
ko
pala
pa,
tayo
it's
dito.
Christmas season, di ba? Ano yung song?
Holy Night.
Okay. Pero hindi natin kakatayin yan.
Hindi.
Kasi
Hindi pa Pasko.
I'll ask you to sing something else later.
Ay! Okay.
Mag-vocal
Actually, ma'am, yung sa... Yun yung isa sa memorable ko na experience yung sa culturals kasi po, wala talaga akong tiwala sa sarili ko nun, ma'am. Parang binus lang din po ako, nyo, at ni Kuya Hans, hi Kuya Hans. Tapos, the fact na nanalo po ako doon, nag-place ako, parang it opened a lot of opportunities din po for me. Doon po ako nakapasok sa concert chorus, ma'am, because doon po nila ako nakilala.
Nice, that's nice. Okay. Yan. Next, Bea. Makulay din ang pagpasok ni Bea sa CCS. I think ako rin ang kumausap sa'yo nung time na yun, no? Sige. Ano lang, konti-konti lang doon sa napakahabang kwento na yun.
Okay. Fun fact. Before, I'm a shifty from
Shifter ka
from
Sige, okay lang
from occupational therapy.
Camp.
Yeah,
AFL.
camp.
Yes, okay.
I'm a former occupational therapy student. Pero mga third year, dun ko na-decide na parang I'm not happy with what I do. Kaya dun ko start din na naisip na I have to pursue something that I love. That's why pinili ko po yung BMMA because ever since I'm into drawing. I love drawing. I love traditional drawing. Yun po yung the best na parang feeling ko parang I'm into. Kaya ayun po, sabi ko ayokong mag-regret my whole life doing something that I don't love. Ayokong like medyo helpful din in some ways yung OT kasi parang na-help niya ako na paintindi na you have to do something what's meaningful for you. So, something meaningful for me is like yung drawing. I love it. And dun ko napag-isipan na I can't be doing na something na dahil nandito na ako because third year na ako. And then 1 year na lang medyo nakakaalangan sa panahon because I'm getting older.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Pero,
I hope you're happy.
yeah, I'm happy. I'm super happy. Masaya po yung... That's why, pinili ko yung BMMA because kahit pa paano, related talaga siya sa mga hilig ko and interest ko. Kaya, ayun. I'm
Well, actually, you
here.
recommended kay Sir Joey. Yun ang mga nagano ng drawing courses, no? They love your style sa illustration. So, galingan mo lalo.
wait, I haven't seen it yet. Ito,
Sure,
picture.
Hindi, pag lumabas ng episode na may mga ano, may mga
Yeah.
couple artwork na. Oh, dyan. Yeah, Abigail, how about you?
Okay. Honestly, it's not really that, it's not as good as theirs. The only reason why I went into this course, okay, first, I like everything. I feel like when I watch something pa lang, and then I see the main character is, for example, in the police force, I want to join it. If they are a doctor, I want to be a doctor. Parang ganun. And then I just was so confused. I was already in grade 11 and then I needed to pick a strand. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, wala talaga akong mapipili because I like all of them. I can't choose. So you know what I did? Nag-search ako.
Akala ko kami to?
Actually, I was gonna do that. Pero sabi ko, hindi, I should be practical. Well, and then, nag-search na nga ako. Top 10 least regretted jobs. Least regretted degrees. And then the first one is computer science. Alright, computer science. Pero syempre, I also base it off of what I like. I'm always using the computer and I've always been fascinated by the creations of programmers. So sabi ko, okay, if I want to be everything, then perhaps I'll do something that can sort of go into that. For example, if I program this, then perhaps I can experience joining the police force or becoming a doctor, or I can help them at least. So that's the only reason why I picked computer science. That's it.
Fully embrace naman to.
Yeah, fully embrace naman ako ngayon
Yeah.
because actually it's been really fun naman.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah.
And that's very smart, no?
Man.
You rely with research to check. So,
Yeah, that's what I'm good at. So
Very
I guess-
practical, but yeah, very smart.
Thank
Yours,
you,
how about
thank
you?
Paano ba?
Paano ba?
And growing up, like, wow. Yun po, syempre si mother and father, nasa field na po sila ng industry ng programmer sa computer science, ganyan. So, sama ko po na parang na-influence na rin. Pero dumating din po sa point na hindi ko rin po nakikita yung sarili ko sa engineer. Dati po talaga first choice ko talaga engineer kasi gusto ko yung math, gano'n. Pero, ay, gano'n.
Okay naman,
So, gusto ko yung math, gano'n, engineer. Kaso, parang hindi ko rin nakita yung sarili kong maging engineer nung parang grade 10, grade 11. Hindi ko rin nakita yung sarili ko sa teaching, sa doctors. Tapos, so, sige na nga, IT na lang. Gano'n.
Sige na.
Yes, I
I
do.
agree.
Full embrace mo na ngayon yan?
Yes.
Okay.
Sige, embrace.
Ayan. Pero susunod ko yung question ko doon, Yoch.
Yes,
Do you feel any pressure? Since, your dad's very good in the IT industry, well-known, tapos your mom. Do you feel any pressure with that? You have to...
Hindi naman po,
Okay.
ma'am. Hindi naman po nakaka-pressure sila.
Hindi ka pa nanigil. Hindi ka naluluhakas.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Hindi naman po sila pressure sa akin. Very supportive naman po sila kung ano po yung gagawin ko sa akin. So, wala po talagang pressure. So, support lang sila kahit anong gusto ko gawin.
Kasi ako, lumaki ako sa isang school na nasa posisyon yung parents ko. So, kami nung dalawa ng twin sister ko. And I think the pressure would just rely dun sa we have to be, of course, always be good.
Yes.
Dapat wala silang sabihin against them or sa amin. So, just to protect also everyone's images. No? And I think that's also part of a pressure as part of AFCCS project and pieces, di ba? No? Kailangan mo ng, the more na kailangan mo ng 75.
Malaman ko na bigla. Oh my gosh, the face of our CCS feeling pala siya.
No pressure, pero I think that's part of
Yes, so,
karagdagang responsibility. Hindi mo na sinabi pag na ganun pala eh, no? That's very natural. I think some of you will also be ambassadors later on, di ba?
Yes.
Why not? Di ba? Manifest it. So anyway, in your busy, schedule sa school, after school, what do you usually do? This is something to do with life balance. After work, after school, what do you usually do? Yoch.
Ako. Yung saan po after school po kasi minsan may training po ng 5 to 7, 7:30 ganun. And usually po yung training kasi sa schedule po ngayon medyo dahil sa maaga na po yung pasok. Usually po talaga yung training namin is 8 to 10. So Monday to Friday nagtitrain po ako 8 to 10 tapos pasok. Tapos pag minsan naman po hindi ako makapag-training yung Tuesday, Thursday, magta-training po ako 5 to 7 ganun lang. Tapos ayun po, pagdating sa bahay nun, after nung training na sa basketball,
Tulog na agad.
Yeah.
But sir, may homework or any preparation for the next day?
Yes po ma'am. Madalas po, lang naman po, basa-basa lang, may lesson, tapos hobby, guitar po, nag-aaral lang ng music din.
Wow, another fun fact.
Ang daming revelations, no? Sige.
Yes ma'am, ganun po.
Ano yung music? More on guitar ka ba? Drums? Singing?
Acoustic po ma'am, acoustic. Yes po.
Wow.
Sige.
Okay,
Ako
ako
yan,
naman
yan.
yan. Okay. So, I think, for me, after school po rin, after school, Usually, a lot of my classes kasi, especially on 2 days, since pumapasok lang ako 4 days, lahat sila lab. So, sometimes after school, matutulog na lang ako. The entire day until the next day.
Sleep is life.
Yeah, minsan kasi sobrang nakakapagod na I don't even eat anymore. Talagang naka-uniform pa ako, matutulog na ako. You know? Pero a lot of the other times, okay, this is what I do. Siyempre, okay, first debunk. Not all computer science students are unathletic, okay? Kasama ko yung mga kaklase ko and nagba-volleyball kami minsan after class, nagsusport. So we're not all unathletic, okay? And then, another thing that I do, of course, it's important. Oh, I'm also gonna answer the question kanina. Sometimes you can feel pressure na your classmates, they have learned all of these programming languages. Tas ikaw, parang nandito ka pa lang, nasa beginner level. So, of course, we all have to catch up. So, after school, mag-aaral ako ng ganitong programming language, whatever is in line with my career, the one that I want. And then, aside from that, tatapusin ko lahat ng mga homework ko if I can. But most of the time, I think, honestly, manonood na ako or maglalaro. If I have time, at least. So, yun lang. After class. What about me? What about you?
What about me?
Yes, Leah.
Usually, sa schedule namin, parating 5 or 6.
Pagtapos?
Yeah,
Okay.
oo. Kaya, usually, ang goal ko talaga makauwi ka agad. Kasi, yung traffic na alahan.
And you drive kasi, no?
Yeah, I drive. Yeah, kaya consider ko din yung traffic. Tas dahil kauwi nun, medyo pagod sa traffic.
Rush hour kasi, di ba?
Oo, grabe yung traffic everywhere, guys. Drive safe.
Wow! This is a big a political
Tapos after ko ng pag-uwi, mostly, mag-watch lang or matutulog. Tapos if may time, or dahil irregular student pa ako as of now, I have a lot of time pa naman. Kaya mostly, ginagawa ko after class, mag-sleep muna dahil next day na. Doon ko na gagawin ang homework.
Ayan pala ha. Bigyan mo ako ng idea. Maghanda kayo.
Same day, 11:59 ang deadline.
Due date is due date.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's true. Para sa ako, due date ko, hindi susunod.
DUD.
Nag-grad bigla. O, Chris!
Before kasi ma'am, being part of like performing arts group is one of the hardest yet most fulfilling things you could do lalo na sa college life mo. Back then ma'am, after ng school, ganun, we would have every night rehearsals, sometimes 7 to 10 p.m. ganun. So every day, tapos Saturday, Sunday, kinakain din po ng choir yung time namin. Pero I decided to quit po to focus on my studies kasi nagkaroon po ako ng malaking parang
Hinom ako.
fallback. Ba tawag doon nung third year ma'am kasi hindi ko na po siya kayang i-shuffle. Tapos ngayon ma'am, na fourth year na ako, after ng class, wala na akong kailangan gawin. Parang naninibago pa yung katawan ko na naghahanap siya ng gusto niyang gawin pero kailangan kong ipaalala sa sarili ko na wala na akong kailangan gawin. Kailangan ko na lang mag-focus sa studies. And yun ma'am, after kong umuwi ma'am, pwede na akong matulog.
Okay.
Pwede akong manood or mag-binge watch, ganun. Tapos, syempre ma'am, gagawin ko yung mga assignment ko, no ma'am. Kasi pag iba yung sinagot ko, baka, ano yun ma'am,
Lalabas dito
argument ka
capstone. Mga ibang subject, no?
Ayun ma'am, para din makapag-focus din po ako sa capstone. Kasi medyo na-underestimate ko pala yung effort
Yung
na
degree.
kailangan
ng,
ibigay para magawa ng maayos yung capstone.
Alright, sige. So, you mentioned also yung, tawag dito, you tend to watch series or movies. What do you binge watch lately? Anong binge watch or what are you watching sa Netflix or anything?
Ba, ma'am? Yung ano, ma'am yung It's Not Okay to Be Okay.
Filipino or yung
Yeah.
original?
Yung minsan pag nainip na akong mag-next dun sa Filipino, titignan ko yung original.
Original.
Kasi tapos na yung original, ma'am
Oh.
Tapos, yun, no. Yung
Okay.
recently
I
lang
like
naman,
that
ma'am.
one.
Yes, no.
Ako,
Yun pa lang.
ako naman ba? Okay, actually marami. Sobrang dami talaga. So, a lot...
Ang daming time, ha?
sobrang... Kasi,
Bigyan ng quiet stop.
I'm a little bit addicted to watching. So, minsan, pag nagsa-school work rin ako, nanonood rin ako. Minsan natatype ko pa nga yung sinasabi nila eh. Pero anyways, aside from that, yung mga pinapanood ko, I guess yung ngayon, kakatapos ko lang siya. Like 2 days ago. The Demon Slayer, buong anime. Natapos ko siya within 2 weeks lang. Kasi malapit na yung movie. So I wanted to finish it. And then also, The Office, Brooklyn Nine-Nine again. Like this is my 6th rewatch already. And I guess yun pa for now. Pero yung iba, hindi ko na mention kasi masyado na marami. Yeah.
Bea.
Medyo nakakatawa yun sa akin.
Sige nga, ano yan? Baka para sa tayo
Sa akin, more on cartoon.
Oh,
And,
okay.
Kasi nag-purchase po ako ng movies site. Tapos, I'm watching...
Huwag na natin sabihin, parang
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm watching Gravity Falls.
Oh, I love that!
Oh.
I
It's
love
cute
Gravity
story.
Falls.
I love yung mga characters. Parang feeling ko very funny and very unique yung mga personalities.
Very common yun sa BMMA. They tend to watch series like that.
Yung mga animated.
Yeah.
Parang may mga reference later on.
At saka, recently, nire-rewatch ko yung Stranger Things kasi nire-ready ko na yung new series.
Final
Stranger Things. Okay lang
Last
ko sa'yo.
season.
Yeah, last
Yung upcoming last season.
Kala ko yung last year, nakaraan. Ikaw, Chris.
Ma'am, di ko alam kung familiar kayo pero yung favorite kong binibinge watch ngayon, yung High Potential.
I love that! Bago lang siya!
Disney Plus ko siya pinanood, ma'am. Tapos, yung parang premise niya, merong girl po na mother of 3. Meron siyang IQ of 160. Tapos, nagsosolve siya ng mga cases,
Gets ko na.
ng,
Okay.
in unconventional ways po.
Very interesting.
Bigla siyang na-hire, janitor lang siya.
Janitor lang siya.
And then bigla siya na-hire sa police force. Ang galing
Tapos
niya.
nakikita niyo yung mga hindi nakikita ng normal na tao. Kasi nga po, dahil sa IQ niya, tsaka sa... Maganda siyang representation din, ma'am, sa mga tao na may pagka-neurodivergent din po.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Ako po? Okay, I'll start na. Since like, sinabi ko na yung ako po. Okay. I guess playing until midnight kahit may pasok the next day.
What usually
Nilalaro.
is it more of a, ano ba tawag doon? AAA?
Not all the time, but I do play a lot of AAA games. Pero I guess right now, yung mga nilalaro ko, puro Roblox, ganun. Valheim, Bronzebeard Tavern, that's what I'm playing right now. Kasi syempre dapat short lang yung game para makabawi sa requirements in school.
So gamer ka pala?
Yes.
Okay.
Yun po yung pinaka-guilty pleasure ko. Hindi ko kayang hindi matapos yung game. Kaya minsan puyat ako.
Alam mo, hindi ka na. Alalahanin mo yung eye bags.
Yeah. Kita ba ngayon?
Mahirap yan.
Kita ba?
Mahirap yan.
As an
Baka,
artista.
oo. Mahirap ka mag-cover sa foundation.
I'm trying to be mindful of that, guys. Kaya nga guilty pleasure. Kasi
Up to the point that you buy some, tawag dito, parang add-ons when you game?
Hindi naman. I try to play more of the free games. Tapos minsan pag birthday ko, tinatanong ko, can you buy me a game? Hindi kasi nagpapa-wishlist sila. Abby, can you send a wishlist naman? Tapos puro games lang. Gano'n. May ano naman.
Anyone who would like to share guilty pleasure?
Counted ba yung ano, ma'am? Pag-doom scrolling lang sa TikTok, ma'am.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Oo. Para antukin ka.
It eats your time, ma'am. Sabi ko, matutulog akong 12. Ay, 3 a.m. na. Gising pa rin ako. Tapos may pasok ako. TikTok clock kayo.
Siguro mabibigla si Chris. Patingin ang feed mo ng TikTok. Joke lang.
Patingin ng hours
That's too
mo.
personal ba?
Hindi kami na lang nakakaintindi sa isa't isa.
No, let's just say na they're trying to stay informed about the latest trends.
Yes.
No.
Yun na lang.
It could be
Huwag na lang
source of
TikTok doom scrolling. Exactly.
Maganda
Tingnan naman ng
yan.
What a
FYP.
nice
Di ba
way to-
MMA pa kayo? Source of inspiration.
Ma'am, kailangan namin
Yes.
mag-doom scroll.
ideas din naman kasi.
Actually, ma'am.
Like,
Sige, depende talaga yung answer nyo yun.
Guys,
Okay, anong argument mo, Mr. Espiritu?
Ma'am, basta you just have to be mindful. Tapos yung ginagawa ko kasi pag may idea ako, ma'am, parang ino-note ko na agad. So, sa 12 hours na yun, ma'am, kahit maka 100 na idea ko, ma'am, productive na ako. Pag may project ako, ito yung idea ko, titingin lang ako sa mga resulta ng doom scrolling. Pero hindi ko sinasabing gawin nyo.
We don't
Again, no, sa media, kailangan
Marami kang
mag-verify
alam.
mo, ha? Baka naman
Verify.
yung nakukuha nating inspirasyon na mali. Media literacy, oo.
Ma'am, nagpa-fact check naman ako.
Fact check.
Medyo nasa edad pa ako na nagpa-fact check pa kami.
Sige,
Very
gusto ko na,
mindful.
nalusot ko
You
na
know,
yun,
it's kind of funny
Ay,
kasi
Ay, continuity, sorry, wala akong glasses.
Kasi kayo lahat sinabi natin na we stay up at night. Pero alam mo ba, fun fact, di ba hindi ka man? You always sleep early. Grabe! Nagsasabi kami na sinabi niya sa akin.
May lalabas sa animation na.
Healthy living! Very healthy living life.
Fun fact din po before dati. Pag 9 na, sure mga grade school pa rin yun, no? Yung inaano sa amin is 9 tulog na, wala na cellphone. Ganun. Tapos, ngayon, na-allow na yung cellphone. Pero dati pa ma'am, ano siya, Monday to Friday. Hindi, Monday to Thursday. Walang cellphone nung elementary po kami. So, Friday, Saturday, tsaka Sunday, doon lang kami nagkakaroon ng time sa online games. Pero ngayong college ma'am, inaalaw na kami magkaroon ng phone. Siguro ma'am, pag natutulog ako ngayon, siguro mga...
9:30.
Hindi naman po. Mga 10 or 11.
Parang umpisa pa lang ang buhay ko.
Grabe.
Nagkakagising ko.
You know, this is
Ano guilty pleasure mo?
ano for me.
Pleasure ma'am. Siguro ma'am, hindi ko alam kung counted. Nag-scroll ako pero tinatimer ko ma'am. 30 minutes siguro, gano'n.
Di, disiplinado mo!
Grabe!
Tapos yun, no?
Discipline.
Tapos ilalagay ko na lang yung sa guitar, yung para, yung music, gano'n.
Grabe,
Parang yun na siguro yung pag may free time ako, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko.
parang nahihiya ako bigla.
Yun na
Paano mo
lang, ma'am.
ginagawa yan? Kasi naka-timer din ako, pero 15 minutes. At 15
Nagtatimer
minutes,
ako.
tapos
That's
naging
you. That's you.
I've never done that in my life.
Maglagay ng
Hindi ako
screen
nagtatimer.
limit ma'am. Tapos kung magko-continue ka pa, close mo na yung app.
May
Lagi ko lang
option.
i-ignore ma'am yung ipapaklose na yun.
Parang snooze, no?
Ako hindi mag 15 minutes ako, tapos ay, naka 15 minutes na. 15
Another
minutes.
Oo. Parang snooze, no? Ako, ang guilty pleasure ko, talaga gusto ko i-share, no? I ship love teams.
Ma'am, sino
All
ba
the
yun?
time.
All the
Sino
time.
yung ano mo, ma'am?
Saan
Ano, ma'am?
hindi ko siya pwede panggitin. Pero, pag nagsiship ako, kailangan gagastusin ko din. So, I get to buy some merchandise. Papanoorin ko anong series or
Like
movies.
encounters.
Kaya parang fan na fan, panay na panay. So, pag nakita niyo ako minsan sa isang sa Araneta, sa MOA,
Yun ba yung ginagawa
Oh,
niyo?
yun.
Merchandise?
Filipino actors po madalas.
itong very, hindi naman bago sa inyo yung Jaded, no?
Oo naman.
There was a time na talagang we invested to that
I know.
love team. Tapos next is, tawag ito? It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Parang yung original.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I love the
Bumili ako ng
original.
DVDs, bumili ako ng posters, ng t-shirt, yan. Tapos yung, yung last ito, basta, okay na yun. Malalaman yun lang pag
Next
may
episode.
concert next, oo. Pero hindi siya BINI or SB19 na. So anyway, ayan, nagiging masyado akong TMI sa sarili ko.
Naman gusto namin yan, pati yung mga viewers.
Talaga? O sige, maglaro muna tayo ngayon. Let's do this or that. Okay?
This or that.
So, may lalabas sa screen.
Oh.
So, may items sa left, may items sa right. Okay? So, pipili lang kayo kung...
This or that.
Yes.
Okay.
So, left or right, no? Can you get your
I
phones?
see.
Yes. I-reveal lang, ha? I-reveal.
Left,
Left.
right.
Left. and right. Okay?
Ma'am,
Alright.
dito ma'am, left.
Left on, right. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Kailangan ko lang
Ganito
move
pala yung
ang-
left, dito pala yung left and right na binigay niyo sa amin.
Yes! Yan. Dito ba ito? Hindi ba? Okay. Alright. So, first question.
Patay.
TikTok or YouTube?
Easy.
Yeah.
Game.
Gino. Left.
Oh.
Left.
Ikaw lang ang
Left.
nag-right, no?
Ako lang yung nag-right.
Okay. Sige, I know na. Bakit YouTube?
Short ang attention span namin eh.
Hindi po kasi ganito. The reason why I go on YouTube is because I try to lengthen my attention span.
Wow.
So, tinatry ko mag-TikTok. Pero alam mo ba kung saan ako napupunta? Sa shorts. So, okay, same lang rin.
Oo.
Same.
Next. Halo-halo or ice cream? Napakadaling tanong. Game.
Right.
Left, right.
Right.
Wow, very
Left.
diverse, ha?
Left, ma'am.
Left
Kasi,
hand.
Left, okay.
kasi ma'am, yung left, may ice cream naman yung halo-halo eh.
So you get everything sa halo-halo.
Ako, I don't really
Makes
like
sense.
ice cream eh. Not as much. So, I guess, mas gusto ko talaga halo-halo. Yun lang.
Oh, alam niyo na, ha, guys. Next time. Christmas or summer vacation? Game.
Left.
Sumasagot yung crew, ha? Right, left. Diverse din ang ano.
Ano sa'yo?
Left.
Right.
Bakit left?
Wala lang, malamig po pag ano, pag
Mas sarap matulog, no? Tsaka magbakasyon. Sino yung right?
Right.
Anyone
Actually,
who
just
would like
to
to
say
share?
na I actually don't like the cold. Mas gusto ko pag mainit.
Talaga?
Oo, ganun ako tao. And then, pero the reason why I chose summer vacation is kasi mahaba siya. Yun lang yung reason,
That's
mahaba
only
siya.
applicable for students.
Yeah.
Sa amin, I would like, I rather
Same
go
lang
for
pala.
Christmas, oo. Wala kaming bakasyon ng summer.
Ay, alam.
sayang.
Yes! Oo, wala tayong LU chance. Opposites attract or same vibes?
It's definitely.
3, 2, go! Alright,
Right.
lahat.
Yes.
Talaga?
Definitely. I think dapat same vibes kayo.
Yep.
Naniniwala ba yung audience? Sige na nga. Sa
Same
bagay, ang
vibes.
answer ko rin same vibes.
Pero I believe in the olive theory. Yung dapat yung isa
Ay, ito
gusto
naman.
ko, yung isa hindi.
Parang tinanong ko na sa klase to. K-drama or Thai series? Left? Right. K-drama or Thai series?
3, 2,
Go!
Go!
Left na.
Left! Oh,
It's
K-drama.
because
up,
mas
up,
alam namin.
Ah.
Ganun.
Wala yung sawadaki. Sawadi?
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Sawadi ka.
Sawadika.
Ano ibig
So
sabihin?
sa bagay,
Thank
what
you.
you have shared naman mostly.
I think,
ano?
I don't know.
Ano ba yung sawadika?
Parang greetings po.
Greetings.
Ah.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, in
Ang
next
alam ko
episode,
T-Rock, ang alam ko
Sawadi ka.
T-Rock is darling.
Wow. We're learning naman.
Yes.
This isn't just for fun. This is also educational.
Grabe naman talaga ang CCS na to.
Yes. O binge watching or weekly episodes.
Definitely.
Go.
Go!
Left.
Ay, mali.
Mali sa'yo. Kala ko may kasama
Left.
ako.
Oh, right.
No.
Sige, dahil
Hindi ko
ikaw
kaya
lang
weekly.
may isang ride. Bakit weekly episodes?
Ma'am, maganda kasi yung may nilook forward kayo, ma'am.
So, gusto mo yung nabibitin na episode, no?
Kasi ma'am, pag binge watching, ma'am, parang ubos na ata yung lahat ng pinapanood ko, ma'am. Pero kung weekly episodes, parang susubukan ko yung best ko na mag-survive hanggang next
Grabe
week.
naman yung
Para
survive.
mapanood ko siya, ma'am.
So, bagay ako din. Weekly episode ako.
I like
So, ang
that.
ginagawa ko, I start with episode 1 hanggang doon sa latest. Parang for next.
For next week. I love your guys' patience. Di ko kaya yun.
True!
Hindi ko kaya maghintay.
Next.
I love it.
Ayan!
But ayaw
Single
natin.
or
Ay, ano
taken?
yan?
Single or taken? Go! Hold on. Right.
Bakit tayo mag-rotate na sa...
Right. C. Right. Oh, ikaw lang single?
Ay.
Paano malinaw yun?
Oh guys, bebenta na namin siya.
Kaya ito mga single ha, you have to prioritize studies pa din ha.
Yes.
Yes,
Of course.
Pwedeng love life ang love life. Love should inspire you,
But not...
not to distract you.
Wow! Yes, sir. So educational talaga ngayon.
Kaya that's the line for today.
Ma'am Joyce, 2025.
Okay, so next version, jojowain at totropahin. Yan. So my first question, yung tahimik pero sobrang caring, totropahin o jojowain?
Questions wala siya.
Oo. Ibang
okay.
questions na bagay or tao. Yung tahimik pero sobrang caring. Okay. Game. Jojowain o totropahin? Jojowain. Totropahin! Bakit totropahin?
Ma'am, kasi gusto ko kasing ingay ko. Pero,
Kasi same vibes.
Same vibes.
So kayo din, ganun.
tas mas,
Actually, mas gusto ko rin na ganyan. Pero kung caring naman sila sobra. Yeah, sobra eh. Sobrang caring.
Grabe naman yung soap.
Napaka-technical ako. Kailangan guys, sobra eh.
Oo, pero pag tinanggal na yan,
Caring.
tropa na tayo.
Tropa.
Bare minimum.
Kailangan.
Yeah, bare minimum.
Next.
Pero caring ka naman.
ma'am, kasi para sa akin, ma'am, pwede naman yung caring, pero hindi to the point na sumusobra din siya, ma'am. Kasi parang minsan kasi, ma'am, sa sobrang caring ng isang tao,
Sasakal ka na.
na mamali na yung interpret ng guys.
I like the age, no?
Ay, grabe naman pala yun.
It comes with the age.
Ma'am naman.
Wisdom.
Pen age review.
22 pa lang ako. Comes with age.
Oh, experience. Pwede ba yun? Experience. Okay, yan. Baka galit na tayo after 2 episodes. Okay, game. Very independent and strong will. Totropahin or jojowain? Katulog ko kumokopya.
Anong sagot niyo?
Game.
Sa inyo, parang hindi na tanong yun.
Ready?
Ano sa inyo?
Ready? 3,
Sige,
2,
go, pare.
1, go!
Totropahin, jojowain. Yan, jojowain. Sige nga, I want to hear those na totropahin lang.
Yan.
Sige, ako na ba una? The reason why tropa lang is because I feel like I'm already very independent. So, if you're also going to be independent, baka nag-ano na lang tayo. Independent na tayo on our own. So, dapat, I feel like at least you have some dependency on me. Pero syempre, of course, you're supposed to have your own independence by yourself.
Yeah.
We're people of our own.
individual.
Pero we should also depend on each other on the things that matter.
Grabe naman mo.
SK 2026 po. Aligin. O Yods, bakit ano lang? Bakit jojowain ba sa'yo? Tatrabahin? Jojowain, bakit jojowain?
Gusto ko yung independent ko.
Gusto mo yung challenge ka? Or very, intimidating?
Di naman po sa
Total, ikaw naman ang single, no? Para mabigyan natin ng idea.
naman.
Kamay independent dyan.
independent.
Strong will.
Nakaka plus points sa gusto
Yung number po niya is 09.
Papakita po namin yung IG niya later.
Mamaya, yung share your handle.
Pinahirapan si mo. Guys, dito na.
Oo nga eh. Okay, mahilig sa anime at cosplay. Totropahin na jojowain.
3,
Mahilig sa anime, cosplay, totropahin na jojowain.
3, 2, 1, go.
Jojowain, totropahin. Okay. Sige, bakit totropahin lang muna?
Sino ba yung tropa? Ay, ako lang yung Wait lang. Parang bigla isipin ng mga tao. Grabe, napaka-nerd naman ni Abby.
Bakit tropa lang?
Parang magandang for tropa lang kasi parang another topic siya every new episode, di chika-chika if magandang yung thoughts mo about it. Pero technically parang hindi naman
Ay, nagko-cosplay talaga?
Oh, parang mas maganda parang feeling ko mas tropa, parang mas masaya yung with other group of friends, tapos support nyo yung tropa nyo or with na nagko-cosplay, parang mas masaya yung another bonding with friends.
See.
Oh, jojowain.
The reason why, grabe napaka-nerd ni Abby. The reason why is because mahilig talaga ako sa anime and I love seeing the creations talaga ng mga cosplayers. And I think your significant other is supposed to be your best friend as well. I think it will be difficult for me to express like my interest in anime kung sila rin din naman mahilig. So, kung mahilig rin sila, it's better, like, we can bond with each other better. Since ganun ako. Yun
So,
na yung reason.
I guess, that's sa personality, since that's your, parang
Yeah.
favorite ng anime, so
Yeah,
it's easy
yeah.
for to be with someone who's also into anime.
Yeah, but I don't want na they know everything. Kasi gusto ko may bibigay rin ako sa kanila. Oh, you should watch this. Parang gusto ko ganyan rin.
Okay. Sige, next. Meron pa ba next? Meron pa.
Gamer na.
Ang gamer na halos wala ng social life. Parang ma-mention nyo na itong lahat kanina. Jojowain o tatrapahin?
3, 2, 1, go!
Tropa lang.
Tropa.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
good. Kailangan balance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kailangan balance talaga. Kahit ganun ako.
Okay. Oh, yan. For Chris, what if, tao to ha? Ang After Effects, totopahin or jojowain?
After Effects.
Siyempre, ma'am,
It's
dito.
jojowain.
Kasi, ma'am, mas,
Parang ganun.
apparently, ma'am, mas marunong akong gumamit ng After Effects kaysa sa
Premiere?
Premiere. Kasi,
Oh,
ma'am,
talaga?
yung nauna kong gamitin. Ever since kasi, guys, sorry, CapCut lang talaga ako. Kaya, yung may ano pa, ma'am, yung may watermark pa sa ilalim, yung Viva Video, ganun. Pero,
Grabe. Ako yun. It's on me.
bleep that
Oo,
out.
sige.
Pero yun, ma'am, pagkapasok ko ng seventh year po ata ako nag-start mag After Effects. Mas nagustuhan ko siya, ma'am, kaya nung lumipat po tayo sa Premiere Pro, parang medyo nag-iba yung interface. Yun lang.
Okay. Next. For Yonch, MVC. That's in general, ha? Totopahin, jojowain.
Yan, totropahin na lang, no?
Bakit totopahin? The bread and butter of development, no?
Hindi, jojowain.
Hindi, yung totoo.
Yes, ma'am, jojowain.
Ah, jojowain.
Kasi mama na yan, parang papalinisin niya lalo yung work mo. Kaya, approve tayo dyan.
Tsaka fundamental.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Pinaka yan. Kailangan talaga matutunan para mas maganda yung program natin.
Next. Abigail, Python.
100%. Out of all the languages po talaga, kasi yun yung pinakamadaling intindihan. Parang English lang siya. The others, dito lang yung iba.
Bea, illustrator.
Grabe naman yan. Tutropahin.
Totopahin mo na? Bakit totopahin mo na?
Kasi I'm not really very pro sa Illustrator. New sa Illustrator, kaya tropa mo
Tropa mo na?
Wow.
Ako, sa After Effects, jojowain ko din. Kasi gusto ko yung komplikado.
Wow!
Ang reaction ni Jan, no? Iiyon ang kakat ko.
Pakita nga yung reaction ng
walang bearing sa episode na to. Okay, I think that ito yung ano na siguro, I'll get one question, bucket list. This is a game and a book from Ranson Mendoza. Isang game card na likha ng isang bestseller author. Pero hindi ko pa siya dinaro. Ang nangyayari dito, just pick one question and in your own interpretation, you answer it.
Oh my gosh, this is so tense.
Naririnig na ba yung heartbeat ko dito?
Dun 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 dun. Parang kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan din ako.
Oo nga eh.
Okay.
Wala.
Oh no.
Kami po yung pick.
Pick one.
Okay.
Pick any card. Huwag kang pick lang.
Paano?
Pick lang. Tapos, sabay-sabay yung bubuksan natin.
Pag titignan.
Magtitignan muna.
Wala akong makuha.
Bucket list.
Alam mo, ayaw.
Di ba ano to? Game
Tsaka
sa...
kukuha din ako isa. Sige, we'll start with...
Hello.
Tinignan mo ni.
Okay,
Ay, tinignan na.
Kylie Reid. Yan. And for
Grabe naman ang mga tanong.
Sige nga. Kailangan nyo.
Parang hindi ko masagot.
Ano si yours? Parang mangyak-ngyak ka dyan, ah.
Oh no!
Ano yan?
Ano ba yan? Sige nga yan. Hindi ka lang kasi.
Sinadya niyo to yung mga.
Sinadya ko ba? Paano ko sinadya?
Oh no!
Hindi ko nga alam eh. O, sige, mauna na ako kaya.
Ano ito?
O, sige, ako na muna.
Tingnan sa'yo. Ilast na po natin siya, ma'am.
Mahaba explanation mo sa akin. Makaumiyak pa ako.
You're not that type of person.
Okay, my question is, bakit kung sino pa ang seryoso, siya pa ang niloloko? Ano sa'yo? Bakit kung sino pa ang seryoso, siya pa ang niloloko? Ako siguro ang masasabi ko dito kasi
Ang hirap.
medyo serious na yung sagot ko. You tend to put your guard down. Kaya linoloko ang mga seryosong tao.
Grabe.
Seryoso.
Kaya
Sa mga seryosong tao dyan, don't worry, we're siding with you guys.
huwag masyado seryosohin yung bagay-bagay. I mean, you get to prioritize, pero don't forget to
Yeah. Life should be fun.
Yes.
Kaya di na ako
Jump out! Ting, 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 ting.
Ano yung moment?
Kailangan buzzer yun, no? Who wants to answer first sa mga bakit?
Ihuli na po natin kay...
Medyo,
Masakit ko sa akin, ma'am.
medyo may ukot siya sa akin.
Ito, I haven't browsed everything sa question, kaya bago lahat sa akin to.
Targeted attack.
Oh no.
Go, ate.
Ako?
Yeah.
My question is, bakit mahirap mag-move on?
Wow!
Karay ko.
Kasi,
Siguro, mahirap mag-move on for some people kasi they tend to set expectations sa mga ex nila. And like, meron silang mini-own version na parang expectation sila na hindi na-meet. Parang very much thought na version nila na mali mo, some of them are not even existing sa tao na yon. Pero you tend to set it kasi parang yun yung standard mo. So parang pinapasok mo yung standard mo sa kanya. And then, another thing is relapse. Syempre, when you have a relationship, you tend to have a lot of memories with them. And syempre, that person that used to be so special sa'yo. And then, biglaan nawala. So, yung
isa yung background music dito, alam ko na.
Iman ko kasi yung background music eh, kaya umiyak na ako for that.
So, yung
Special guest.
Ito yung special guest time.
So, yung sometimes, yung mga taong mahirap mag-move on, yun yung very much stuck sila dun sa memories.
Nagkikling pa rin sila
with
sa
them.
Nagkikling lang sila doon sa memories.
Yeah,
But those are just memories.
true. You have to...
Ikaw ba, Bea? Madali ka ba maka-move on?
It depends on situations.
Learn
Parang
from it,
diba?
mahirap kasi kapag feeling ko lang, mahirap po yung healthy breakup.
Hindi rin ako naniwala dun. Kaya let's have an episode of Valentine's episode.
Oh, wait kayo sa Feb 14, guys.
Ayan, thank you, Bea. Next question na pwedeng, next na bakit na pwede natin sagutin.
Go.
Ayun, siguro na. Basahin mo, na malakas.
Bakit natin sinasaktan ng mga taong mahal natin?
Bakit nga ba?
Bakit nga ba yun?
Bakit nga ba yun?
Parang siya yun ano.
Paano ba?
What do you think ba?
Help?
Ikaw na, friend.
Parang may alam kaya tama?
Bakit sa akin binabalik, no? Bakit sa akin binabalik?
Ang na-chismis na yan.
Oo nga, ma'am. Sagutin niyo.
Siguro,
Siguro,
parang na-realize natin na kailangan natin mag-focus sa studies. Kaya ganun, mas mag-focus tayo. Parang Sa ngayon, mas nakakabuting gano'n muna. Siyempre, masakit. Aray ko.
So in terms of
Yes.
studies,
Wait, sinahuhubot ka pala siya eh.
nakaka-relate
Parang more on focus on yourself
Yeah.
muna.
I see.
Mas maganda yung
Yeah.
focus mo. Pag,
Improve yourself
Ay, baka
first.
man yung mics.
Ganon.
yun. Yes, ganun lang. Focus lang sa
Kasi may mga bagay na minsan hindi talaga nag-work, di ba?
Yeah.
Aray ko.
At
Oh.
mabuti parang we live it that way kaysa sa magstay kayo at magkakasakitan kayo.
Mag-workout natin.
Okay,
ako na.
next!
Ako na ba? Okay.
Abigail.
Yung tanong sa akin, bakit kahit sobrang sakit na, mahal ko pa rin?
Aray ko.
Tama na!
May nagawa ka.
Okay, here's your reason, guys. The reason why, at least sa tingin ko, the reason why people love kahit masakit na is because as humans talaga, we are social beings. Wow.
Wow.
We are very emotional. We rely talaga on one another. Even if it hurts, we still hope for that, for the joy that we feel with that person, for the love that we felt with them, the comfort that we felt with them. So kahit minsan na you're in a situation na masakit na, you still hope to receive the same amount of love and care that you had with them in the past, with the memories that you're trying to recreate, I guess. So, pero the thing is,
Kailangan may hangganan yan. di ba?
yeah, kailangan talaga, when you're having moments, kasi people are supposed to be good, and it's not supposed to be half good, half bad. That just means that you're having a bad experience. Hindi siya half good, half bad. Okay? Hindi siya ganon. They have to be good and just make some mistakes that are forgivable. But if they're not forgivable, kailangan mo nang maging mabuti sa sarili mo. Hindi sa taong yun. Because, of course, you will find that a lot of people will care about you naman. And it's not just that one person. So, ayun.
Pero yung kung nasasaktan
advice.
pero kung nasasaktan ka na physically, walang ano yun.
Oh,
That's
walang
your
ano yun.
area.
Yes.
Non-negotiable.
Seek help.
Yeah, yes.
Uh-uh.
Ayan, I'm curious
Oh,
with your
no.
question.
Guys, di ko naman alam na pang love pala yung
So, ano
yung
yan?
question
Ano
ko.
na ano yan eh? It's,
Relate.
Bakit hindi ako pumapayat? Kasi,
sabi ko, hindi ko alam yung mga questions dito ah.
plan sa to, pinlan sa to. Para masaya yung ano. Pero seriously, ma'am, before nung sa Mr. and Miss, actually nakapag-lose ako ng maraming weight. Tapos after kong ma-fulfill yung bucket list ko na yun, I decided to like let things loose muna. Parang hinayaan ko muna yung sarili ko na kumain, ganun. Tapos ngayon pa lang ako nagtatry na bumalik on track. So, makikita nyo sa next episode namin na
Ganito yun.
Grabe yan.
I think this is the perfect time to segue yung project ng CS.
Oh.
Yodge, can you tell us
Oh,
about
yes.
it?
Okay.
Bakit?
Ayun nga, so yung project mo ng CSC natin sa CCS is meron po tayong algorithm club. Pwede siya.
Uy, hindi. Ha?
Tsaka yung...
So parang ano yan, may glee club, parang glee club po siya and
Algorithm.
dance, algorithm.
Ah.
Pero kasama rin po yung dance doon. Head po siya ni Ate Shane.
Okay.
And meron din po tayong Get Fit Hub Club.
Yun. Doon tayo!
Ako ngayon.
Get
na pala
fit!
yun.
And meron din tayong goal ma'am kasi meron tayong competition na biggest weight loser. So,
Kaya tayo mag-start dyan!
tapos every week po yung target po namin is makapag-reserve po tayo dun sa SCC. Tapos may weekly sports po tayo kahit running, walking, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, and syempre basketball.
Wow!
Yan ma'am.
Yan, very exciting.
Segue ko lang, ma'am.
Segue mo pa. Ano
Last
pa?
na lang.
Ah.
As long as you feel comfortable in yourself, the way you look, walang masama if you gain a little bit of pounds. Yun,
But make
Yes.
sure you're healthy.
Yeah, as long as
Okay?
you're all healthy.
Kailangan healthy. Okay lang na may laman. Basta may
Okay, so may free check-up tayo sa AUF, ha? Gamitin niyo yun, ha? Yung University Health and Services.
Yes.
Wow.
So, ayun, I think we're ready for our next stop. Kasi very competitive ako. I don't know if, for some would know, sa mga students ko, alam nila na competitive ako, no? So, dadalhin natin yung competitiveness na yan sa time zone. We'll do versus. So, me versus Yoj, me versus Abigail, me versus Bea, me versus Chris, no? Sa mga arcade.
Matakot na po kayo.
I know.
Alam ko na saan ko kakalaban.
I will be singing. I know. Alam ko na to singing. My God.
Game na yan.
shoot here. Thank you very much, everyone in Rewind Cafe. And please visit them here at the Barangay Mining. Napakasarap po ng coffee nila, and get some food. And ganda ng ano nyo, they also have some gimmicks every night, so please follow their social also to catch their promos. And of course, they have their own socials na nakalagay po sa screen. Please like and subscribe also to
Dito ba?
their socials. Anywhere. So lalabas somewhere there. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. And guys,
Hi. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe po to this page or video or ano po. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And of course, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.
yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye!
And okay, good take everyone.
Hello.
Popcorn, grabe.
I want you singing.
May alam pa yata ako.
Mahirap pala itong ginagawa ng mga students.
Kayo lang po yung kita dito.
Oh, hindi, para mag-ano na lang tayo, no?
Pwede naman.
Oh, tuloy na lang.
Next question.
Kasi pag inulit nila, hindi na authentic. Ayoko
Ma'am, may last defense kami, ma'am.
Sorry guys.
I never record na ba?